How's it going, guys? Today we are going to do a small pack opening. As you can see, we have 32k, and I'm not sure how many we're going to open, but we are trying to get the new team of the season. Oh yeah, now that I think about it, I forgot to show you guys my squad. This is my Italian squad. This is my main squad. Right. Alright. Let's get with the pack opening. Hopefully we get somebody good. First pack. No looks. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Oh, come on, that's it? Alright, I guess I'll keep. So first pack didn't go so well. Alright, let's get on with the second pack. We're gonna like this time. Oh, yay. Oh, company, yes. Yes. Alright, transfer. I'm not sure if he'll go for anything much. I'll still saw. This guy, hang on a second. So this guy. Okay. Okay, everything's good. Get on with the second pack. What do we get? Okay. Oh man. Alright. Okay. Alright. You only have any unlimited amount now. This one's probably our last pack. Yeah, I don't really like this. Alright. The last one. Alright. We're gonna make this one, look-see. Alright. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did we get a blue? Oh, come on. Oh, man. Damn it. We didn't get anybody good. The only closest we got good is company. Okay. So, company was our best pull. Okay. Alright. I'm also going to be doing a wager. You guys can invite me in anytime. I will be putting up Pirlo, and I will also be putting up Chiellini. The first person to comment will win the chance to win Pirlo and Chiellini. Okay, hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Thanks.